So the first question is about seasonal variations. Arrange the following events related to the sun's position in the correct order of occurrence within the same calendar year. So we'll have to discuss these events, the chronological order of these events in the same calendar year. First statement, the sun is directly overhead at the equator, which is the vernal equinox. See, there is one more equinox, that is the autumnal equinox, but the statement in question is vernal equinox. It's in March. The sun reaches its northernmost declination, that is the summer solstice. Then the sun appears to drift southwards from an observer in Delhi. This is a pretty simple question, except for the third statement. First statement is the sun is directly overhead at the equator, that is around March 21st or 22nd or even 23rd. The second statement, the sun reaches its northernmost declination or summer solstice, that is around June, again 21st or 22nd, or let's say somewhere around that period. The sun appears to drift southwards from an observer in Delhi. We know that Delhi is beyond the Tropic of Cancer. Delhi is beyond 23.5 degree north. The second statement, the sun reaches its northernmost declination, that is a summer solstice, is when the sun is overhead on the Tropic of Cancer. So when sun appears to move southwards from an observer in Delhi, that will be post June 21st. The sun reaches its northernmost declination on June 21st and it appears to move southwards after June 21st. So the third statement should, or the third event should come after the 21st of June. So that will give us the answer as 1, 2 and 3. That is the correct sequence of events. Statements first, these are the options. Options B, C and D are incorrect. The sequence follows. First event is equinox in March. The second is summer solstice in June. Third one is southward drift, that is post June 21st. The vernal equinox is when sun is directly overhead at the equator, that is on March 21st. Summer solstice, sun reaches its northernmost point on June 21st, that is when the sun is overhead on the Tropic of Cancer, and post solstice the sun appears to drift southwards as the year progresses. So that was the first question.